Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Atul and this is the first time I'm in front of the camera. So I'm super excited to tell you about how you can mount your GoPro to the helmet with a great video and audio. And also I'm gonna tell you about a little bit about my helmet. So let's begin. First, let's talk about helmet itself. The Ignite helmet is lightweight and aerodynamics and super comfortable for long ride. I really appreciate its sturdy build and good ventilations. It keeps me cool and protected on road. So here is my Ignite helmet, and the most important thing to have a great audio, that you need this chin pad. This is very important. This plays very important role to audio to your videos. This helmet also has the anti-fog layer inside its visor. Also, it has the tinted visor as well. So I think this is the great helmet for if you are a beginner, and it has less weight than other helmets like Exor and LS2. And the other important equipment is this GoPro Hero Media Mode, and I recently bought it because many of you people were saying that my audio is not clear. So it has a two-way mic, and also it has ports which you can mount like charging and mic all together. So when you mount your chin pad like that, and the J mount will go like right here. Okay, so we need this extended mounts because when GoPro attach here, you can clearly see what's recording or what's not, which gives you like you can have a great POV and great audio setup. And you need to stick your mic here with tape or like quick fixes with here, and you can attach your mic to the GoPro with this media mode. Okay, so let me tell you that how you can stick it. Firstly, clean your helmet from this side, and like the no oil spots and no dust should be there. You clean it well, and then just stick your Action Pros mount here and let it set to overnight. And when this setup is complete, just like attach this J mount and some external mounts from Yantrale, and then attach your GoPro and test around the city, so that you get a better view, that you are not too down to the road or not too up towards the sky. You just need a great cockpit view with the odometer, speedometer, and roads. So let's talk about the complete cost of this setup. So helmet is nearby 4,000, and the GoPro Hero itself is 30,000. I have GoPro Hero 12, and the media mode is around 7,000, and this chick pad is around 350, and this is 150. Mic is around 150. This is around the best complete setup you can get nearby 40,000, which you can have a great audio and great. Also great if you have other riding gears gloves as well. So these gloves are from Stud. You can get under 1,000. That is the best. And let me also tell you one more thing, that some people struggle that how to wear a helmet with the tight cheek pads and tight padding around the neck. So the best way to wear your helmet, first you need to grab these two straps and just pull them outward side, and put your helmet all the way to the neck and just pull it down. Okay, that is the easiest way to put your helmet on. That's it for this video. You will be seeing more vlogs in upcoming videos. Thank you.